Compression tool care and maintenance. Proper use and maintenance of tools and equipment will produce higher quality work at a reduced cost. This video presents methods and procedures that will assist in correctly using and maintaining the compression tool. It also will cover the proper use and installation of compression tool dies. The information presented in this program is recommended by the manufacturer. Quality work is a product of employees who understand and demand the best from themselves and their equipment. By following the techniques presented here, you will be able to produce high-quality connections, which will ensure the reliability of the line. It will also provide safer working conditions for those who work on the lines in the future and decrease hazards to the general public. Our objective is to present you with ideas and examples that will help you become the best that you can be. Tools and equipment. The tools we will discuss are the compression tool, its corresponding dies, and the tools that are required to maintain them. After viewing this program, you should be able to calibrate, use, and maintain the compression tool and its corresponding dies. The compression tool. One type of compression tool used extensively by today's linemen is a Burndy Model MD6-8. Because it is so widely used, it is the model featured in this program. Be aware that similar models of the compression tool require the same procedures to adjust and maintain them. Description of the compression tool. The compression tool is a precision instrument which is used to compress sleeves and connectors in a uniform manner. It has two dies located in the head of the instrument. The size of these dies are identified by the marks O and D3. The O and D3 dies are the most commonly used in distribution line work. The D3 die doubles as a die holder. The keepers located near the D3 die allow other dies to be inserted in this space when another size die is required. Calibration of the compression tool. Compression tools have adjustment screws and marks that assist in their calibration. To verify that a tool is calibrated, close the handles until the jaws make contact. Now, check the calibration marks. These two marks are located on the hinged underside of the tool's head. If the lines match up, the tool is calibrated. If the lines do not match up, the tool is out of calibration and needs to be adjusted in order to ensure proper operation. Warning: do not use a compression tool that is not properly calibrated. Connections made with a maladjusted compression tool are likely to fail, resulting in service interruptions. Make sure your tool is properly calibrated. To adjust the tool, insert the Allen wrench into the locking screw in the handle and loosen it. This is the screw that is located farthest from the head of the tool. Then, insert the Allen wrench into the second screw, which is located nearest the head. This is the screw that is used to actually adjust the tool. Turn the screw until the two white marks on the underside of the head are lined up. When they are lined up correctly, tighten the locking screws securely. Then, open and close the handle of the compression tool twice. Check once again to make sure that the white marks are still aligned. If they are, the compression tool is considered to be calibrated. If the lines do not match up, repeat the preceding procedure until they do. Remember, it is important that your tool be calibrated correctly. If the tool is worn out and calibration is impossible, it should be retired. Compression tool maintenance. Once the tool has been calibrated, periodic maintenance will be required to keep it operating at peak performance. Inspect it daily and clean it when required. It should also be lubricated on a monthly basis. This is done with a lightweight oil. It is important that the compression tool be cleaned and maintained. The recommended procedure is as follows. First, clean the tool thoroughly with a wire brush. Pay special attention to the areas around the dies, particularly the keepers. Apply lightweight oil to the joints and movable parts of the tool. Wipe off any excess. Removable dies should also be brushed and oiled on a periodic basis. Proper storage of the compression tool. Take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. It is important that you properly store your tool when you are not using it. So, place the compression tool, all of its accompanying dies, and the Allen wrench in their metal case. Remember, a tool is an investment that is expensive to replace. Inadequate storage of the compression tool and its dies will result in damage and its premature failure. Take proper care of your tools. Installing removable dies. Removable dies are installed in the D3 slot. No tools are required for their installation. Notice that the dies have slots in them, which align with the keepers located in the tool's head. Apply pressure to the keeper and slide the die into position. When the retainer is released, it locks the die to the head of the tool. Check to make sure that the die is securely seated in the tool prior to use. Warning: proper alignment of removable dies is very important. If pressure is applied to an incorrectly installed die, it can cause damage to the tool and result in an improperly squeezed connection. Remember, the most frequent causes of line loss and service interruptions are improper connections. As professional line workers, you should strive to produce the best quality line connections possible. This will give years of safe, reliable electric service to your consumers.